Go.
Hi, I'm Willa Pogue, and this is the rest of my family. Who are you, ma'am?
I'm Amy Pogue.
Who are you, sir?
I'm Wyatt Pogue.
Who are you, Popeye?
I'm Owen Pogue.
Okay. Who are you going to be for Halloween?
Tell us who you're going to be. Tell the camera who you're going to be for Halloween.
I'm going to be Evil Queen. Who are you going to be, ma'am?
I'm probably going to stick on a beautiful wig and steal candy from Wyatt.
No! Your costume!
I don't know. Probably the wig thing.
No! It's your
Okay, I'll be a 1960s housewife. How's that?
Okay. What's your costume going to be, sir?
I'm gonna be Darth Vader, but we're not allowed to bring our weapons to school.
Or your face?
No.
Who are you going to be, sir?
I'm not dressing up.
Why was I supposed to say that?
Okay, say goodbye to the camera.